is that? Why are you laughing and talking when I have the movie off? Why is that? Huh? Why is that, Elliot? What? What? Really? Really? Yeah. Yeah, you weren't even smiling while the movie was running. Yeah, but now you are, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. I'm... Oh, no. Are you sure? Are you sure, Elliot? What? What? Are you sure? Here. Here. There you go. There you go. What? Are you getting tired of swinging? Yeah. 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 You got monkeys on your feet. What are you doing with monkeys on your feet? Huh? Who has monkeys on their feet? That's silly. Yeah. They're so cute. Goodness. Goodness. Yeah. What you doing? What's Elliot doing? Huh? What's Mr. Sunshine doing? Oh, yeah. Busy boy. Yeah. 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 You're so busy. You gonna get ready to go to church, huh? Is Mommy and Daddy getting ready for church? You look like you're ready. Yeah, you are. Look at those monkeys on your feet. You have monkeys on your feet. Oh yeah, Grandma's boy has monkeys on his feet. Yeah, you got monkeys on your feet. Yeah, you do. Yeah, see? We're making a movie. It's all about you. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. See? There's Elliot. He's talking. Yes, he is. He's talking. Yeah. He's so cute. What a big boy. Mm-hmm. Phew, what a big boy. Yeah. Uh-huh. Those fingers taste good, huh? They taste so good. Yeah. They're yummy, huh? Yeah, they're yummy. Mm-hmm. You're so busy. You're so busy. Here you are. You're so busy. You're a busy boy. Yeah. Look at Grandma. Can you smile, huh? Can you smile at Grandma? Can you smile at Grandma?